In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to save changes you've made to a project file on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is either tap the Control and S key combination on your keyboard just to save the file in its current state, or you can go up and select the File tab at the top left and then go down and select Save from the menu here. You can see the keyboard shortcut right here also. And you can see where it saved the image to down here at the bottom. It tells you the file directory on your computer, which is saved directly to our desktop. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.